Hi friends, welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best double-din car stereo, the ultimate tech upgrade for your dashboard, and I'll be taking an in-depth look at the PLZ. Let's get started. Product feature. Enjoy total freedom with wired and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It brings your favorite smartphone apps to your dash for a modern, seamless driving experience. Experience true convenience as the system auto-connects to your phone the moment you start the engine. There is no need for cables, letting you focus on the road ahead. Navigate with confidence using Google Maps or Waze directly on your stereo display. Real-time updates and clear directions ensure you stay on the right path every single time. Turn your car into a concert hall with easy access to Spotify and streaming services. Your favorite tunes are always ready, making every commute feel like a genuine joy. Stay safe with Siri and Google Assistant voice control. Send messages and make calls hands-free, keeping your eyes fixed exactly where they belong while you are driving. A built-in DSP and 4.2-channel preamplifier deliver 240 watts of power. It creates an immersive audio environment that breathes new life into every song you play. Support for front and rear speakers plus 2 subwoofer outputs provides deep bass and clear sound. It's the perfect audio setup for those who truly love their music. A 10-band equalizer puts you in total control of your sound. Fine-tune every detail to match your taste, ensuring your audio profile is always perfectly balanced. A large, efficient heatsink manages temperatures during extended use. This keeps components cool and preserves audio fidelity even during your longest road trips. Bluetooth 5.3 and an extra antenna provide a rock-solid connection. Enjoy minimal latency and static-free streaming for all your calls and wireless entertainment. Clear communication is guaranteed with a built-in microphone and external mic interface. Your voice will be smooth and recognizable for calls and voice commands. The 7-inch IPS touchscreen features a crisp 1024 by 600 resolution. It brings your apps to life with vivid colors and sharp details that are easy to see from any angle. Pros. The PLZ Stereo truly shines when it comes to user-friendliness and audio performance. The wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration is a complete game-changer for daily drivers, providing a clutter-free cabin. We also love the inclusion of the 4.2-channel preamp, which delivers a level of sound depth usually reserved for much more expensive systems. It makes driving feel like a premium experience. Cons. While this unit is incredibly capable, it's worth noting that it does not offer Wi-Fi hotspot functionality, which might be a miss for some tech enthusiasts. Additionally, the Mirror Link feature requires a wired connection, so you'll need to keep a cable handy if you plan on using that specific screencasting feature frequently during your trips. Final thoughts. Upgrading your car's interior should be about more than just technology. It's about making every journey more pleasant and safe. This PLZ unit brings an older vehicle into the modern age with grace, offering a vibrant display and incredible sound control that really respects the listener. It feels like a thoughtful addition to your vehicle that prioritizes your comfort and focus while keeping you connected. Ready to transform your daily drive into something special? Check the price link in the description to see the latest deals. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video if you found it helpful. Drive safe and enjoy the music. Until next time.